Pleasant morning to you, the viewers, the wonderful subscribers. It's been a while that I've not touched base with you guys. Hope that you're doing fine, in good health, and keeping safe as much as possible. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning, and I just hope that you guys have a productive day. Just enjoy your day, and whatever plans you have for the day, just know that whatever you have to do, just put your all into it, and you will accomplish it. I know that there's a whole lot of things going on, and you just have to just be mindful of that and just continue to just be safe as much as possible, because we're in a difficult time and we don't know when this thing will end, and a number of people are just very worried about the whole entire issue. I know school reopens this week, and it has been just a whole chaotic moment for the entire world throughout the past few months. But whatever we are going through, I know that one day the world will overcome this, and I know it's going to be difficult because this is a global thing and we're faced with this problem in more than one country. So we just have to just know that it's what it is, and we just have to just try our best to see how well we can compose ourselves to deal with the situation. So just have yourself for a blessed and productive day, and just remember, be safe as much as possible. I'm out, Peace.